There's a lot of buttons on it. There's a flashlight. There's a snooze and a sleep, alarm, time zones. Looks like there's a radio on it. Dual alarm.
It has like just everything like digital display. It appears to have a very large snooze button. There's a sleep button. A bunch of different things. I can set the year, date, projector, a radio.
Give it a little more.
It has the snooze and all the important buttons on the top, and then the screen here.
Wow, they've got different
See you guys later. Everybody goes to the bonfire. See you close. See you home. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, there it is. Oh wait, I just saw it. I can't figure it out. It's very difficult.
Was that hard to do? Yeah. Is there something that would make it better? What?
Very annoying, actually.
Okay, thanks.
Was there something that you would do to make it easier?
Yeah, explain it, because I didn't know if I could actually change the hour. I just had to hold down the plus time and plus button, and it just like went through all of the hours, and it took a really long time.
Like there's so many buttons and they're not clear what they do. So just either labeling it or just making it easier to use.
Okay.
Maybe like a turny thing, you know, like how they have it for Minecraft. Maybe that would be better.
Clearer directions on the buttons of what they do.
So when you were hitting the buttons, what were you expecting to happen?
Anything, really. I like something to happen here, and nothing happened.
Okay.
like all these time zones, like fairly. All an alarm clock needs to do is wake you up. It does not need to have that much information on it.